Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I know. We're talking to Erica Dasher here. All right. Oh my God! Give me a good. All right. She stars in the ABC Family show Jane by Design. The series has just returned for its summer run. She plays a teenager who gets her fashion dream job after being mistaken for an adult, which we won't make that mistake now. Here she is trying to juggle her high school life with her secret life.
All right, I'm out.
Seriously?
Yeah, I have to get to work. I mean, I can stay if you want me to stay. Do you want me to stay?
No, it's fine.
Look, if you need me to, I totally will.
No, it's fine. I'll just eat lunch with Carl again.
Look, I'll call in sick and we can hang out.
No, it's cool. Really.
Okay. But only if you're sure. Am I still on for the movie tomorrow night?
Yeah.
Alrighty then.
Try and be cute, will you?
Aww.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Bringing in the sunshine in that yellow dress. I love
know,
it.
Isn't it fun?
Have you met Julie who saw your show?
Hi.
Hello.
There's
I have
Jill
the
over
most
there.
generic Asian reporter named Julie Chang. You can't forget it. I
Have
think
a
there's
seat.
about
Thank
16 Julie Changs on television, all doing news, so you won't forget it.
Okay, good.
All right, I'm gonna.
So here you are, a little girl growing up in my old neighborhood
Yes.
in Houston, Texas, and you were there and going to the village school off of Derry Ashford Road,
Yes.
and dreaming of what?
Of this.
Of this.
This is your lucky break,
You
right?
always knew.
It is. It's, yeah, well, I waited to start auditioning professionally until I graduated from college and I went to USC. But, yeah, I grew up doing plays. I was a really sort of precocious kid, and so, and my mom did some acting when I was younger, and my parents are creative people. My dad plays guitar, my stepmom plays flute.
So you weren't like an alien to them. They got
Yeah,
it.
no, they got it. But I think it's still pretty scary to sort of send your child off to LA and
But was it
and hope
innate,
that
or were they sort of encouraging you to go into show
They
business?
were always supportive. They were always
Okay.
supportive. Academics were very big in my house too, and they wanted me to go to school and get my degree and all of that stuff. And I also I produced a film when I was in college as
gonna
Look
well.
ask you
at that.
about
She just
that.
slid that right in.
You know,
Overachiever. You went to USC,
I
right?
did. And my best friend, Sammy Krickstein, and I grew up doing speech and debate. We were really cool kids, not at all. But
Nerd alert.
Yes, we were big nerds. And we used to go to speech and debate camp too, because
yeah.
that exists. And
Is that like band camp? Or
One
something
time
like
it's
it's like a
debate
step
camp?
above
Yeah.
or below band camp, depending on who you ask. But we made a film in college about it. We were interning for like a small production company, and they asked how we met, which was through the activity. And so we were like, let's make a movie about it. And we went out with a handy cam and sort of shot some of our own footage and edited together a little trailer. And the company that we were working
The
for
amazing thing,
helped us.
it's opening in 3,000 theaters Friday night.
3,000 theaters. No, it's not. We're in post-production.
On IMAX, 3D.
Yeah, but it's very much, it's in the same vein as Jane. It's about high school kids, and they're sort of pursuing their dreams, and so it's nice that those two
I
things
like
line
this
up.
show because I live in New York right now,
Yes.
and I'm in Soho, which is sort of the thick of the fashion scene.
Yes.
How fun is this show as far as wardrobe goes, and the buffet of boys? You're caught not in a love triangle, but a love square. You've got three boys courting you.
I know. I have some lessons to learn from Jane. It's so fun. I mean, our costume designer, Olivia Mouse Payne, is a genius, and we just get to wear the most beautiful clothes, and they make me look pretty, which is nice, and the boys are delicious.
Now, you're also,
like it when you design
the
team
boys
hair
are
done.
cute. You're working with some heavyweight women there.
Oh my gosh,
Andy
yeah.
McDowell.
Andy McDowell and Terry
I'm sure
Hatcher
you're all
comes
aware,
onto the show,
he
and
was Hollywood's
it's
most
such a
promising
gift to
young
work
talent.
with women like
He's on
that,
billboards
and
across the country, and the
watching
American
them
Girls of
perform and seeing them do something a little different every take, and they're really kind, generous people. It's actually a really positive
And very
set, which
soon,
is
our
And it's
which
a
is
smart
lucky.
show. It was super cute, and I want to catch people up on the show's synopsis.
Okay,
You basically are a teenager. Parents are not there. You
Right.
live with your brother, right? And
Right.
I can actually relate to that because I grew up on my own. My parents moved overseas. I've been on my own since I was 16. I think I'm semi-normal, and I use that very loosely because I had role models growing up. I just want to know, for you, did you have role models growing up? Who did you look up to?
Oh, sure. I mean, gosh, I have great parents, and they were always like, I did speech and debate. My dad would take me to all of my tournaments every weekend. I like gave up all of my weekends and did this stuff. And
so instead of being soccer parents, they were speech and debate parents.
They were speech and theater parents.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do
Although
you
I did
cheer?
swim
Oh, she
team,
said
I was
it.
never very fast.
Did you hear what she said?
Yes,
Go, girl.
exactly. And I have a little sister too, who's 11, and they're the same way with her. And I don't know. I feel like
now you have a little sister who's seeing what you're doing. So is her emphatic dream now, I'm going to go to USC and I'm going to be in that business?
I just want her to come be in the same city as me. But no, she's a musician, and she's a very, very. It's kind of scary.
Instrument
how talented
or
she is.
singing?
She plays guitar, electric and acoustic, and she sings, and she's already writing and composing her own stuff, and you can look her up online, Cameron Dasher.
You know, you can play like 13 years old, can't you?
Me?
Yes.
Oh, well, thanks.
Wide range.
No, you have a wide range. It's great to see you. All right. Jane by Design airs tonight at 9 o'clock on ABC Family. It's a pleasure to have you here. Come back.
Good seeing you. Come back.